Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 500 of trying a new makeup product every day. That is just so crazy to me. It sounds like so many because that's so many videos, that's so many makeup products. 500 makeup products, like how could anyone ever use 500 makeup products? But I don't have 500 makeup products because a lot of these have been samples or I ended up giving them away after I've used them. So I don't have a huge makeup collection, but I do have a pretty big makeup collection. But 500 days of trying a new makeup product every single day is such an accomplishment. But you know what? Every single day is an accomplishment. Day 430, day 7, all of those days are an accomplishment to me, but I am just so excited to have reached 500 days. So maybe I should make it to 1,000. I mean, we will see. I don't intend to stop doing this just because there are still so many makeup products out there that I want to try, and I love doing this. But so speaking of, let's get into today's product. So I just reached blindly into my Ulta haul bag of lip products that I got recently. So if you want to see my Ulta haul with all of the new lip products that I got, I will link that video down below. But so I reached and grabbed this one here. This is the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss that I have in clear. But so then I did some research on the Ulta website, and this is so high rated. It was almost 5 stars and it had so many ratings. So that made me very excited to try this out, and it's only $2.99. What I was also really excited to see is that this comes in 10 shades. I love a tinted lip gloss, so if I like this as much as I hope that I will, then I'm definitely going to want to try out some of those other colors of lip glosses. And if you've tried any of those, definitely let me know your thoughts on them in the comments down below and what colors are your favorites so that I know what to get when I purchase my own. This is an interesting looking applicator because it looks like a doe foot, but it has a slight curve to it, you can see. Ooh, this has such a nice scent to it. It smells very sweet, kind of like a candy, like a sugary, fruit flavored candy. Actually, it smells like cotton candy. Yeah, I would describe this as cotton candy. That smells so good. Even though it's clear, let's just do a little swatch and see how shiny. Ooh, that's a nice like thick formula. It's a little bit hard to see that swatch, but it does have really nice wet look shine. My lips are feeling very dry, so I'm excited to apply this and see how it looks. Ooh, such a soft, flexible applicator. Oh my gosh, I feel like my lips have such a thick layer of glossy protection on them right now. Wow. Yep. This is called Shine Shine Shine, and it really is shine, shine, shine. It is so beautifully glossy. And it just has shine. It doesn't have any shimmer or sparkle to it, which I really like. It seriously looks so like that wet look and just feels so smooth. It's not sticky at all. It feels so nice on my lips. It's super moisturizing and hydrating. Like, my lips look so much more smoothed out now as well. Wow, and I love how this looks just alone without any other lipstick on underneath it, but this is also a perfect lip topper. I definitely understand why this is so high rated. It really is just a perfect lip gloss, and it's so affordable, but I'm just loving the scent, I'm loving the feel, and I'm loving how it looks. I really can't ask for anything else in a lip gloss. I just think it looks so flattering, so emphasizing to my lips. And that super shiny wet look lip gloss is so in style and so on trend right now, so this is the perfect product to use. I definitely feel like if someone asks me for a recommendation for a good lip gloss, this is definitely one that I would say. And that's saying a lot after 500 days of trying a new makeup product every day. But also let me know your favorite lip glosses in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.